Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the insufficient funds on Coinbase in 2026. Are you seeing insufficient funds even though you have money in your bank account? Here's what's really happening. Now, before we start, in order to access the platform Coinbase, you have to know that Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're just going to go to the website Coinbase, or you can use the app on your mobile device. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, and whether you're on your computer or your application mobile device, you're going to click on sign in. Or if you don't have an account already, you're just going to click on sign up. And make sure to set up your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you do that, to fix the insufficient funds issue, you should check the available versus the total balance. You're going to go to the assets and check your available balance, not just your total balance. After you do that, now you're going to check your accounts for fees. Coinbase adds fees on top of your purchase amount. So you're going to check the fees. And if you try to use your full balance, the fees may push you over the limit. So make sure you're under the limit. The third thing you want to do is to check for pending deposits. Recent bank transfers may still be processing and not fully available yet. So make sure to check for the pending deposits and also look for withdrawal holds. Now, some deposits have temporary withdrawals holds for security reasons. So always look for withdrawal hold and lower the amount slightly. Try reducing the transaction amount to account for fees, and also make sure that the bank transfers usually have lower fees but may take several days to settle. So wait for several days before seeing. And that's it. That's how you fix the insufficient funds issue on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.